In today's video, we're going to be going through exactly what targeting you should be applying to your ad account in 2024, because a lot has changed. Now, for those of you that don't know who I am, my name is Josh Richards. I'm the founder of Gold Standard Growth, a growth consulting firm that works directly with e-commerce brands to aggressively grow them within record time. Last year, we did over $35 million in client sales, and we've even worked with brands that have gone on to be featured on shows like Shark Tank and Bloomberg. But for now, let's get into the video. Now, I speak with Facebook very regularly, and it seems like every time we get on a call, they're either pulling something from the platform or showing me a new feature. And it's got a lot of advertisers very confused, and it depends on where your ad account is at right now with the amount it's spent, the amount of purchases that you've pulled in, and how much you are spending. I have some clients spending over 10,000 a day, and those rules that we apply to targeting are very different from new ad accounts that we work with and fresh businesses that are just trying to get started. So to understand what's changed, we need to go all the way back to 2017. Now, in 2017 specifically, and before that, and 2018-19, we were using a lot of interest-based targeting with clients and brands of my own. Now, this would work very effectively because you could run a fishing store and target specifically people that were into fishing, and it would find your audience very, very quickly. Now, things have changed recently where a lot of people are pushing the idea of going completely broad and letting Facebook do the work, as they say, or a lot of people are pushing Advantage Plus audiences and Advantage Plus shopping campaigns that most people at this point now have within their ad account. Now, first of all, let's talk about interest-based targeting, and should you be using this if you are just getting started? And the short answer is yes. Interest-based targeting still works, and it's a great way of giving your Facebook ad account direction when it comes to finding the right audience. The problem that most people are having is they're starting off their business, they're just fresh putting their first ads out there, and they're either going completely broad or they are using Advantage Plus shopping campaigns. Now, the problem with doing that is the fact that Facebook don't speak about the fact that they are using past data to try and find your audience. So to be able to run a great Advantage Plus shopping campaign, which with a lot of my clients were still running this and seeing great results, you already need past data for Facebook to be able to effectively find your audience. Now, does that mean that without past data they can't find it? No, you can still get purchases, of course, but you're better off getting at least 100 purchases, in my opinion, with interest-based targeting, then maybe some broad targeting as well, specifically if your product is a very broad product that applies to a lot of people, you're going to see great results there. But getting started with a Advantage Plus shopping campaign with a fresh ad account is not a good idea at all. I would recommend using interests to get started, finding out what interests work, and then apply those interests to your campaigns, whether it be set up with a Advantage Plus budget. And yes, I said Advantage Plus, that is the only way that I would recommend using Advantage Plus at first, which was formerly called CBO, which is where you just allocate the budget at campaign level. You put in a load of individual interests, and then you let Facebook find out from those interests exactly which ones are going to bring you conversions. Broad targeting, as I said before, if you have a product that is relatively broad, and it's worth testing both. So broad targeting and interest targeting when getting started, but do not go for the Advantage Plus audiences. Do not go for Advantage Plus shopping campaigns, because in my experience and with the ad accounts that we're working with right now, getting started with those kind of campaigns is a very, very bad idea. So what should you be doing if you are already spending $1,000, $2,000 a day? Your business is already bringing in over $5,000 a day, and you want to get to that next spot to scale. In my opinion, I would go with Advantage Plus shopping. I'm seeing this work very effectively for clients that want to spend aggressively within campaigns, and I generally set the existing customer budget to 20%. This is where Facebook automatically retargets a percentage of the audience that are seeing your ads, so that over time people will purchase, see the ad again, and on average it takes a customer 7 times to see an ad before they purchase. And that's based off a study that I will actually put in the description if you're interested and you're a bit of a nerd like me when it comes to that stuff. So long story short, interest-based targeting still works. And if you have a broad product, go with broad targeting, which is essentially no targeting at all, but stay away from anything that is Advantage Plus unless it is what they replaced CBO with, which is where you allocate the budget at campaign level. So if you found this video valuable, give it a like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or you want to ask any questions, drop them down in the comments section below. And if you haven't already, check out my free school community where I've hosted a load of training there. It's completely free. You don't have to pay a penny, and I will see you in the next video.